MailingBoss, and how to edit your email campaign. Alright, so I'm going to go into an autoresponder campaign that I've already created, and I'm going to make some changes to it before I've actually sent it off. Okay, so let's go here and click on this crayon icon. It's going to bring me back to this page here. Okay, so everything is pretty much the same. The difference is now you can click through each one of these options without having to click on Save and Next because you've already done this. Alright, so let's go here. All the details are fine. If I want to change this up, of course I can. Just if I was creating it, you can change up anything. Alright, let's go here to the setup. Alright, same thing, from name, from email, reply to, tags, even the subject line, you can change that up here if you want. Let's go ahead with internet marketing, for example. And then I'm going to click here on advanced. Now we're going to get down to our campaign options. We have the option of open tracking and URL tracking. We can select yes or no here. You want to keep that as yes. This is going to enable you to derive or get analytics from your campaign. Okay. Now the JSON feed, the XML feed, that doesn't apply to me. You never really need it. Now if it does apply to you in special circumstances, you can go ahead and click on yes. Now the embed images, you can click on yes or no here. I'm going to recommend it click on no. Okay, only reason why it gives you a better chance of not ending up in spam. Okay, actually the best converting emails have no images or very little images in them. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Now you also want to enable people to use the plain text email. You don't have to. However, I'm also going to recommend that because some people may be using a cell phone. It loads a lot faster. Sometimes the internet is bad. They can't load all the images, and then your email starts to look crazy if you do have those images in there or extra things. Okay, so go ahead and enable that just to give people the option to view them as plain text. Now the pre-header, this is going to be the line that shows up underneath your title or your subject. This is going to be sort of a prefix or a preface into your email. Usually if you don't put one here, it's going to put in the first couple lines of your email. Alright, now if you want to, which we kind of recommend, is write something here, let people know who you are, where it's coming from, just so they know that it's not spam. It's gonna do a lot for your conversions. Okay, people are more likely to open this up. They see a nice looking pre-header here. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this is J. Just for an example, you want to get a little more creative than this is just your name. Okay, now you can also add different actions to your subscribers too. So let's go here to add action. From the drop down, we have copy and or move. All right, so if I want to copy to another list, it's going to do just that. It's going to copy the actions here. So when a subscriber opens this campaign, then it's going to copy them to a certain list over here. We can choose that. Now if I choose to move, it's going to take the person off of this list that this campaign is on, and it's going to move them to the next list. Okay, you can get really creative on how you work with that. I'm going to remove this option for now, and then click on save and next. And make sure as you're going through and you're editing everything, just so you don't waste your time, make sure you're clicking on save. I know sometimes you can forget and then you'll end up missing some content. Okay, so we don't want to do that. Here we're going to be able to change our emails. If we want to go ahead and add some stuff in here, maybe I got this here, maybe I want to add in this picture right after. Whatever you want to do, if you want to change it up, if this is what you like now, this is what the campaign is going to be, go ahead and save and next. Alright, then you're going to get to this screen here. You got the green light up top letting you know that everything is good to go. You can change the activation date if you like. So let's say I don't like this date, it's a little bit in the past. Let's go here to say May 20th for an example. You can choose a day and time here, so I'm going to do 12, and I'm going to definitely do PM. Okay, we don't want to send it off at midnight. Now the autoresponder event, you can change that as well. The time after, so we can send this 0, this is the time value, days after I go ahead and activate. Okay, let's go ahead and do 1 day here, just in case. Alright, so this is activation date, 1 day after. Alright, and after you're done here, you actually overlook your campaign, make sure everything is cool. You can go ahead to click on save and activate. Alright, now this is running already. However, it's not going to send off until the desired date that you set up. Alright, thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.